Welcome everyone to another episode in our luxury video series. In this episode, allow me to introduce to you the Amiata collection by Toll Brothers. This luxury townhome community is located in Inspirada, a master planned community in Henderson, Nevada. Here in Inspirada, you can select from these three unique luxury home floor models, each with an option of a rooftop terrace and an outdoor living area. The Argento, Divini, and Lustro. Lustro is a three-story luxury home that has the most living space of all the three designs at 2,154 square feet. In this video tour, I will be featuring the Lustro Grande home model. For a tour of each of these luxury homes, scan the QR code or click the link below to request a personal home tour today. Hey everyone, this is Robert Ritua, real estate agent, Better Life brokered by eXp Realty. We are here at the Lustro Grande home model. I thought I'd take you on a tour here, starting at the third level. Yes, we are here at the third level to show you the stunning interior wet bar, and I'm going to show you the outside, the rooftop terrace with the outdoor living area. Come check it out. And here at the rooftop terrace, I wanted to show you. Wow, just a great place to just kick back and relax and even enjoy your moments with your friends and family. Here at the third level, we got the primary bedroom suite with bath. I'll show you that in a minute. But we also got another bedroom and a bonus room with a bath. Now check out this bonus room. It's got its custom shelving. What do you think? By the way, some of the available options for this model home is the secondary bathtub shower enclosure, the semi-frameless shower enclosure at the primary suite, and the Kohler plumbing fixture upgrades, as well as cabinet upgrades, countertop upgrades, low voltage upgrades. And at the third level, here we are at the primary bedroom suite with a primary bath and the walk-in closet. And here we are at the second level. Check out the covered patio and lanai. Another great place where you can just kick back and relax. Now here at the second level, we got the very open and spacious floor plan. You got 11-foot ceilings. Also, this open floor plan creates a very cohesive transition between the great room, the dining room, and the kitchen. Now check out this gourmet kitchen with stainless steel appliances, cabinetry upgrades, and the island. Now here are some fun facts. These model homes has been professionally decorated. These are semi-custom built homes, and Toll Brothers offers you some of the custom features to personalize your home to accommodate your lifestyle. And tell me what you think about this custom walk-in pantry. And here at the first level, we get the 9-foot ceilings, a flex room, two-car garage, a bedroom, and a bath. Now, the attached two-car garage comes with epoxy coat flooring. And here's what it looks like from the outside, lustro with an entry courtyard. Now, you can also have your own private community pool when you live in this location. Now, the Amiata collection is located in a prime location in Inspirada here in Henderson, Nevada, with easy access to shopping, dining, and entertainment. It is also close to a variety of parks and trails, making it a great place to enjoy the outdoors. If you are looking for a spacious, luxurious townhome in a great location, the Amiata collection is a great option. Click on the link below to request a personal tour and your copy of the special report, 3 things you need to know before touring a new home model. Now, I'd like to hear from you. What do you think about this video tour? Please comment below. And please click on the like button and share it. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button. That way you don't miss any important videos I make for you. Level up, live it up, everyone.